Hello, welcome to today's section. Today we'll be looking at the apps that we'll be using in the forex trading. But before we start, I want to give you 1 minute to please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and give thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section as well. I'll be happy to respond to them. If you have any question related to the previous videos, you can leave your comments. I'll be glad to answer all your questions. Now let's go straight to today's point of interest. Today we'll be looking at how to install MetaTrader 5 and also make changes to the default settings to suit our likes in the forex trading journey. So first thing first, what you want to do is, if you're using a laptop, you have to come to metatrader5.com, metatrader5.com. When you come to the metatrader5.com, the web page will come like this. So you select your PC specification. I'm using Windows, so I'll just click on download. So as I click on download, it's going to download. As you can see below here, it's downloading the MetaTrader 5 setup. So when the setup download, I just have to click on it and run the app. So but due to this video, I've already downloaded it and I've already installed it. So let me just go straight forward by opening the app and see how we can make changes to the app. Now, as you can see, this is the default setting of the app. This is the default setting of the app. So when you download the app and install it, this is how it's going to look like. So just imagine you trading and the whole chart is messed up like this. You won't be able to identify anything. So it is best you make changes or you do changes to the settings so that you can see things clear and be able to analyze the market very well. So first thing first, what we are going to do is that I don't like the background. I don't like it. And these square boxes, I don't like it. So first thing I want to do is I want to get rid of the square box. So I just right click any space on the chart. So right click, then this grid button, I'll take it. So as I click on it, you can see that the background, the squares has been removed. The squares has been removed. So the next thing that I want to do is I want to get rid of these lines. I don't need them. These indicators, I want to get rid of them. So what I have to do is I'll point my mouse at it, then I'll right click. So I'll delete indicator. So meaning I've gotten rid of those lines as well. I'm trying to make my chart very clean for me to see. Now, I have to, you see all the candles are the same color, which I don't like. And also I don't like black background. Maybe I want to change the color of the background to different color and change the color of the candlestick to different color so that I'll be able to analyze the market very well. So what I have to do is I'll just right click any space on the chart, then I'll scroll down to properties. The last is in properties, or you can press F8 on your keyboard. It will take you to property. So now when you come to property, what you have to do is you come to colors. You come to colors. When you come to colors, now we have various colors here with their respective names. Now we have the background. The background is already black. So I said earlier that I don't like black. Maybe I want to change it to white. So what I have to do is come select the box background, then I'll select white. So as you can see, the background has changed to white over here. Now the foreground is the line that covers the background, just like this one, the foreground, where the numbers are displayed. So I'm going to change the foreground. Since the background is white, I want the foreground to be black so that it will match. So I'll select black. So as you can see, the foreground has changed to black. Now, let me move to the candles. Now, the candles are, you can see different colors. So we have the first one to be the bar up, the bar up. So the candlestick that are moving to the upside are the bar up. So I don't like this color. Maybe I want something like this blue. Now, let's say bar down, bar down. So maybe I want the bar down. Maybe I can choose black or bar down. Now, they say bull candles. Bull candles are simply the bars that are moving to the upside, the candlesticks that are moving to the upside. So I have to make that one correspond to the bar up colors. You see, the color that you selected here must correspond with the color that you selected over here so that you can see things very clear. So since I selected blue for the bar up, the blue colors, I'll select the same color, which is the blue. As you see, as I'm selecting them, you can see that the candles are changing. So the same thing applies to the bear candles, meaning the bar down, the bars that are pointing to the downside. So the bear is now select black as well because the black is also selected for the bar down. So the bear market or the bear candles, I'll select the same black. So you can see the changes has been done to the candlesticks. So I can also change this line. This line is what shows the current market price. It moves on daily basis or every second it moves as the market is open. So I can change that line to any color that I want. What I have to do is I have to come to the bid price line. Remember, we learned about bid price and ask price. Bid price and ask price. So this is the line that display the bid and the ask price. So I can choose maybe red. I can choose any color that I want for the bid and the ask price. I can change the ask price color to, let's say, maybe green. Any color that I want to choose for the bid and the ask price. So, but I like the gray, so maybe I'll go back to the gray. Where can we find the gray color? Something like this? No. So okay, you understand the concept. You just have to choose the color that will be very visible to you as you are trading, that you can be able to see the figure that is written there. So let me put it red. Red is very clear. You can see the figure that is there. So that is it. You have the stop last price line where you buy and sell, and we have the stop levels. So when you place a trade and you set a stop loss, the color that will display for the stop loss is red. It's red. So you can make changes as you want, anytime that you want. But the most important thing is the background, the foreground, the grid. As we've gotten rid of the grid already. If we had not removed the grid, we could have changed the color here, but we've already removed it, so we don't need it. We don't need any color for that. Then you select the bar up and the bull, the same color, the bar down and the bear, the same color. So if you are done, when you're done with your settings, you just click OK. So you can see that the whole chart has been properly, or we can see things very clear now. You can see things very, very clear. So as we've done in the market, you can move any currency pair to that market and we've done changes to it as we want. So the same thing apply. If you want to make changes to or let me just point to you some areas on the MetaTrader 4. So as you can see, we can locate our time frame at the top here. Time frame that you'll be using for your analysis. We have also the tools that we'll be using, which may be horizontal, vertical, Fibonacci, and other stuffs here. We also have this column represent the currencies that we have on our watch list. The currencies that we have on our watch list. So if you want to add a currency, what you have to do is you click this section, this box, you type the name of the currency. Type the name of the currency that you want. Remember, you have to type the base and the quote currency name. So when it comes, you just click on it and it will be added to the previous currencies that are already there. So you can also choose to hide all the currency or hide only one. So with this, let's say I choose to hide USD CHF. I'll just click on it and right click, and I'll hide. You see that USD CHF is gone. And at the same time, I can hide all of them or any currency that I want to hide. You see, I can move any currency pair that I want to move to the chart. So if you want to see what is going on in the any market or any currency pair, you can just double click and drag the currency pair. You click and drag the currency pair into the chart. Then you drop it, it will load. As soon as it loads, you will see the currencies or the chart will display what or where the currency market is at that moment. So now we have, this is gold against the USD. So we've looked at how to download the MetaTrader 4. We've looked at how to make changes to the MetaTrader 4, the chart, how to remove the background, change the color of the background, change the color of the candlesticks, and also we look at the time frames that we can use in our analysis. We have the daily time frame. We have the daily time frame and the 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. We have all of them weekly. You can choose any time frame that you want, and the currencies as well. You just type, let's say you want any currency, CAD JPY, CAD JPY. So you see, as I'm typing the name, it's quickly bring the name suggestion. So I'll just have to click on it and click on add. So as I click on add, you see that CAD JPY has been added. So you just drag and drop to your page to see the chart that is going to display. Now, let's look at the tools at the top here. These are the tools that we'll be using more often. If you have, or if you want to insert any other tool, or you want any tool that you can't identify at the top over here, what you have to do is you can just customize the tools that you have here. You have our Fibonacci, our trend line tool, all the tools are here. But if you want to remove or add another tool that you can't find at the top here, what you have to do is you right click on any of the tools, then you customize. So as you click on customize, this pop-up will come. This pop-up will come. What you have to do is, these are the tools that are available button. So if you want any of them, you just click on it. So let's say we want this arrow line. We just click on it. Then we click on insert. These are the tools that are displaying up here. The ones here are the one displaying up here. So if you want this arrow line, we click on the arrow line, then we click on insert. So you quickly, you see the arrow line has appeared over here. That's appeared over here. So you can see the top here, the arrow line has appeared here as well. So let's say you want to remove a tool from this. There's a tool here that you don't like. Let's say the Fibonacci. You want to remove that tool. What you have to do is you click on the Fibonacci. in the selected button, then you click on remove. So when you click on remove, you see that it is gone. And the top here, the Fibonacci tool is gone. So meaning you can input and remove tools that you want to be displayed at the top over here. So then when you are done, you just close your tool. So that is it. It's very, very simple. I'm sure those are the basic things. The most important thing is how to make changes to the whole chart as I have explained to you. So that is it about MetaTrader 5. When you are using phone, you go to your Play Store or Apple Store, you download the MetaTrader 5. You follow the same step. You go to settings, you make changes to the colors of the candle, and the background, you get rid of the grid, those small square that you see on the screen, you get rid of them. So that is it about MetaTrader 4 making changes to the whole app. So as time goes on, we'll be looking at how to add other informations as well, such as the indicators and other analysis. You'll be doing several analysis. This is the app that you'll be using to do most of your trading. When you want to buy, this is where you click. And you want to sell, this is where you click. So as you can see, amen. As you can see here, this is the order button. As I'm doing the video now, the market is closed, so you can actually place an order now, but the button here tells you everything that you need to know. You just click on it, it will drop. You see the sell button and the buy button as well. So I'll do a new video that I will explain how to enter a trade, how to put your stop loss, how to put your target profit, and how to exit trade, and how to set a buy limit, stop limit, sell order, all the things that we've learned in the previous video. I'll explain everything. I'll take my time to walk you through everything. So don't worry much. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Before you leave, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that next time I upload the second video or the next video, you will be notified, be the first to watch. Now, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to attend to them. And don't forget, hit the thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video.